Discover your ideal home site on Mesa Road in Saratoga, Texas. This 0.14-acre lot can be yours for just $200 down. Located in the heart of Big Thicket, this versatile property is the perfect spot for your custom home, manufactured home, mobile home, or even an RV retreat. Enjoy peaceful living with easy access to nearby towns, just 30 miles from both Livingston and Kountze, Texas. With no POA fees and low annual property taxes, it's a hassle-free investment you can feel confident about. Plus, with owner financing available, securing your slice of Texas has never been easier. At AGT Properties, we make it simple for anyone to own land in Hardin County, Texas. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties, investments for a lifetime.